Ngalor ka bengi ai jing shakri ban sinai ki mobile Redmi, Realme, Lava, OnePlus, Nothing. Laki dai ki bapikit offline ni online. Ni ai service ru ki tablet ju ki khna school bayo jingirap nang sarkar bat ki mobile jong ki agan wari worker. One Haya Service Center Haka kamera ka arspa san khundai ha Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex. Banang ai men sim shishu ya ki Samla Pule ki balala ban pendem ya ke jing Pule ha ki arteli ki kerdan Pule ka Synod College Shillong mentang si ke lapan long ya ke jingilang convocation ceremony dan ya ke Jingpynkup Burom ya ki Samla ki bapas ha ki arteli ki kerdan Pule ka balong ka jingya ilanti ke bakerpang ha ke jingim jong ki Samla Pule ki bala pendem ya ke kerdan post graduate kene ke Jingpynkup Burom jong ki Bor Peniat College ka Synod College Shillong ya ki Samla Pule kala Nongpoh nang ping da ke jingwan poi jong ba Mayral bons im ubri MLA ke Nongpoh constituency na Bhoi district kumu Kongsan jong ni ke sengi ke bakerpang jong ki Samla Pule ke Synod College Shillong hagene ke jingilang Jingpynkup Burom ki Bor Peniat jong kene ke Shillong ai hikai kila Jingpynkup Burom ya ke jingjob jong ki Henry Puprangot ki Samla Pule ki bela pendep ya ke kerdan master degree Haka education but political science napdeng kini Jingpynkup Burom ru ya ki arngut ki balayo haga kerdan basau bat kerdan basan haga jingpen benar result badangshan jong ke North Eastern Hill University na ke benta ke jingwan sakmat jongki haga jing Pule kawai na ki benta ba Kongsan jong ne kesngi kalong ke jingpen lai pai ba ya ke kot ke balabu renti ke balasim na ke jingkren bat ke jingtho lan ki research paper but presentation haga national seminar com 29 Northeast India Education Society Conference kabalalong haga lai bat South Rick wayong arajar pesan Synod College kabadai ke seminar kabalabu halor kepang empowering education for developed India lani ke jingpen kentiu ya ke Pule putih hapo kari na ke benta ke roy kepar jong kari India habai jingkran kum Kongsan uba Mayral bons im ulai ke jingiro ya kene ke Shillong ai hikai kabalalong ka way ni ke Shillong ai hikai ki babiang tam hapo ke jela bat ke balala ru bansai ya shibun ki riustan bat ki riu shempang ki balalong ki nong yelam jong ke jela ha ki babun ki kenhon kentup de ki nong tre sarkar bat ki we bat ulapan pauru ya ki jingkemen halor ke jing tre shitom jong ke school ban kentiu yek Pule putih hapo ke jela bat ai ke jing sikri ki babiang ya ke than bat ban penklan ya ke kom perkhat ki Samla Pule lengba ke jing nang jing stan bat ke akor ke Burom
It is a day that all of us also will cherish together on this beautiful day. Congratulations to each and every one of you. And this is the beginning of the journey ahead, that you have to fulfill the dream and aspiration of your parents, especially of yourself. I cannot forget the fact that when we talk about the dream and aspiration, I'm not wrong to say that each and every one of us who are present here within this auditorium, we have a dream to become someone. It's nothing new to each and every one of us. And it's not bad also to dream to become someone. We have to be very optimistic in our life. And it is important that each and every one of you are here today because of your ambitions to become someone. You have to be ambitious, and sometimes you have to be very careful. Don't be over ambitious, overconfident of yourself. In the present day generation, the world is full of challenges to take and take. We have to travel. in various professions that we have to serve in our state and our country. We face challenges, but we should not forget the fact that the dream aspiration that we have, we should fulfill it one day. We are blessed in this country that we have a very beautiful constitution that has been bestowed upon each and every one of us as citizens of India. Especially the student of political science. I don't know, my left or my right political science. Yeah. Especially student of political science will be very much aware about various sections, various chapters within our constitution. And we are happy to see and to witness that all those dreams and aspirations by our forefathers, it has been addressed and fulfilled. We are here as students. We came from various backgrounds, from various communities, from various districts of our state, from various religious backgrounds. But we are here as a student of Synod College. We are one under the umbrella of this college. You have been awarded, and you have to overcome the issues and challenges ahead that we are going to face. There is no end for the challenges in our life. When we are here together in this auditorium today, it reminds me about those days when I was in college, in university. All the dream and aspiration that we have. It is same with you also, as Jingpynkup Nongpoh rightly mentioned, when you enter into this college with the aspiration that you have, with lots of experiences you share among each and every one of you, the memories you share, the debate you have, the classes, the sharing of ideas, making friends. These are all activities that we have been through. A lot of experiences you have gained. And today you are here as a proud student in the presence of proud parents and proud teachers to become someone. And you are here today to witness and to determine what is next in your life. After PG, obviously, you will pursue for PhD, or you will try to accommodate yourself, whether applying some job or as an entrepreneur or in any field that you would like to. But it is very important that we should remember three things. At the time when you enter this college, the first stage is that to learn. You have already learned. But that is not the end of it. There is a lot more to learn from now on. You have completed the first step. Now the next step that you have to go is to serve. Each and every one of us will have responsibility bestowed upon each and every one of us. To serve, responsibility as brothers and sisters, responsibility as parents, responsibility as human beings, responsibility as teachers, responsibility as government servant, responsibility as public servant. We have lots of responsibility and we are here to serve. As well as, after you serve, it is a time that you have to lead with humility.